The history of money velocity, the rate at which money turns over, is it has been falling since 1997. During cyclical upturns, it does increase. It usually drops at an accelerated rate during recessions and then makes up for that and doesn't break the downtrend, but does have an increase cyclically. Now we are seeing that the rate of growth of velocity is slowing down. And it's starting to slow down rapidly. It peaked on a year-over-year basis at 10.5, so it truly offset the decline in money supply growth. Now, on a year-over-year basis, it is down to 7%. But if you look at the growth on a quarter-to-quarter basis and then annualize it, we're at half that growth rate. In fact, less than half of that growth rate. So that tells you what's coming here. The rate of velocity growth is slowing down. In fact, if we took the rate of money growth at 0.6% on a year-over-year basis, and if that 7% in velocity growth drops to roughly 3.5%, which is where the quarter-to-quarter growth rate is going, then there's very little room for GDP growth. 3.5%, 3.5 to 4%, it accommodates both real growth and pricing. Is it 2 and 2 or 1 and 3? We don't know. But the history of velocity is once in motion to the downside, it keeps going, and we end up in a recession.